Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review CreditStrong. CreditStrong is designed for anyone trying to boost their credit score, whether just starting or rebuilding after a rough patch. The standout feature here is real, tangible impact. Users report FICO increases anywhere from 45 to 86 points on average, depending on the plan. MAGNUM aims for the biggest long-term jump, an average of 86 points, by letting users build $2,000 to $30,000 in installment credit history, with plans starting at $30 a month. For those in a hurry, Revolv lets you build up to $10,000 in revolving credit quickly and provides identity protection, all for $99 per year. Instal is a simple entry-level plan that helps beginners start building credit and savings, starting at $28 a month. One of the best things about CreditStrong is that there's no hard credit pull when you sign up, so your score won't take a hit just for applying. They also report to all three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which really maximizes your efforts. Free monthly FICO scores are a solid perk, helping you see your progress every step of the way, and everything's backed by FDIC insurance for peace of mind. You can cancel anytime with no penalty, which takes a lot of the pressure off. On the downside, these programs do come with monthly or annual fees, and MAGNUM especially is not a savings builder. It's all about pure credit building. Results aren't guaranteed overnight. Real credit improvement takes commitment and follow through on payments. To sum things up, CreditStrong offers flexible ways to seriously improve your credit, combining legitimate bank security with options for different goals. However, the fees and the wait for credit results mean it's best for those ready to stick out the process, not for anyone wanting instant fixes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.